Namaskar, I am Pradeep Solanki and today we are going to learn some exercise about face yoga. Everybody wants to have a shine on their face, okay? They want to keep young, no wrinkles. So let us do some very simple exercise to keep a shine on your face and a glow on your face. Let us start with the natural exercises are that whenever you find time, maybe you are sitting in a maybe in some private space or anything, try to make faces using the air inside your mouth like this in all different combination, like so it is kind of gargling with the air. These are excellent for your muscles. And also try to make faces. Faces means whenever, especially in private, not in public, okay, like this. Maybe giving a flying kiss to your spouse or maybe to your children like this. In front, from the sideways you can do, or like facing like Hanumanji. You may tap or making different faces, like all kind of possible combination, making faces without putting air inside, or putting air inside and then gargling is excellent for your complete mouth. Now one specific exercise which is very good for your face is called the Kapol Shakti Vradak. It just gives you a very shine on your face. Kapol means the cheeks. Watch carefully, you need to join all the fingers like this. Now close your nose and inhale from the mouth and then blow your cheeks and then hold for some time. I'll show the exercise and then explain how it is done. Now here what is different? The different is the kind of inhale you have to do. If I take the plain air and then blow my cheeks, then the pressure will be less, like this. See, the mistake would be, what I am doing here, I am inhaling, stopping when it is full and then taking the air inside from my body and then blowing the cheeks. Pressure will be less. So what you need to do, inhale deeply, and when you are about to finish your breathing, take the extra gulp of air with a jerk like this. Got it? This is called the Shanmukhi Mudra. Okay. Sorry, this is called the Kaki Mudra. Means inhaling like a crow beak. I'll show it again. Then there will be pressure on your cheeks. Okay. Now watch the complete exercise. I'm just holding for maybe less time. You need to hold at least for 40 seconds. Like that. Close your nose, and when you come up and exhale, always exhale from the nose, never from the mouth. Otherwise you will lose the strength which is gained in your body. Exhale from the nose. Practice it twice. It is very good for your cheeks. It keeps a glow on your face. Now, whatever you do with your face, you have to start with your neck. The massages are excellent. Okay, so what you can do, maybe before sleeping or maybe during the day, whenever you time, maybe take a aloe vera or some kind of gel and do a massage. Always start from the neck. Okay, otherwise you will put emphasis on face and your neck may be not similar with the face. So always start like this. That, see, it should be always from down to up, gentle massage. You can massage up to 5 to 10 minutes. Then here, sideways, side and up. It should be side and up, side and up. Then here also side, massage slowly. Then under your eyes, it will just remove your wrinkles under your eyes, and then sideways, side and up, side and up. Then you can do your forehead again, and not just drop it down, sideways and up. So always start from here, then from here again, massage your complete face for maybe up to 10 minutes. Now exercise for your neck and this portion. You need to keep your neck portion also good along with your face. Then it will be like this, bending your neck in left, taking your neck right, You can hold for some time, then up and down. Okay, and then to reduce your double chin, which is a part of your face, you need to enhance that also. For that, what you need to do is take your mouth like this and then try to bring your lower lip towards the upper lip, or lower jaw towards the upper jaw, like this. See? One is closing your mouth, other is you open your mouth wide, take it up and then try to bring your lower jaw to the upper jaw, okay, like this. And relax. Also, for the giving a good beauty to your neck, you can do the exercise which is especially to give a good shape to your neck, beauty to your neck, strengthen the muscles, okay, and you inhale and stretch the muscles of your neck like this. Slightly bring your neck in front, okay, also from the side. But if you do it with the inhale, a friction of the breathing, then it's excellent exercise, okay, effort is slightly increased like this. Relax. Try to laugh a lot. So when you laugh, you have some laughter lines, and it is good for your health and very good cheeks. And for your cheekbone, because sometimes you use a makeup, especially for girls, they use a makeup to enhance their cheekbone. There is one natural exercise which you can do to enhance your cheekbone. That would be bend your fingers at double 90 degrees, that is 90, and then again like this, bending like this. Then keep them just besides your nose, and along with the cheekbone like this, slide like this. So again slide. So this will naturally enhance your cheekbone, giving you a very beautiful feature on your face like this. See, can do. The best for to have a good skin and a face, you can say the external and internal applications. Means external application means the what to apply on the face. Whatever home remedies you have, maybe like turmeric or besan, the gram flour, honey, glycerin, they are excellent. Rose water, you can apply those. And now one thing which is very good for your skin is aloe vera. If you have some aloe vera plant at your home, it is fine. Otherwise, you can take a gel. Before sleeping, just wash your face with a face wash or a mild soap, and then apply it, and the massage which I told you, you can do along with the application of the aloe vera gel. After some time you will feel the gel is gone. In the morning, don't wash with soap, just wash with a little bit warm water, and you will see within maybe 15-20 days you will get a very clear skin and shine on your skin, okay. And you also need to do detoxification from inside. So all kind of yoga exercise which are like Kapalabhati, fast breathing, these are the excellent exercise for your skin also, because they detoxify your skin, and most of the exercise will help you. And internally detoxification will be, I mean, taking some detoxification water, like putting maybe mint, lemon along with the skin rind, and then maybe cucumber, something in water, and then try to drink that water in the morning. And whenever you wake up in the morning, always make sure your stomach should be clear. Otherwise, sarva roga malashara, every disease, especially with the skins and face, it starts if you have a constipation, if your stomach is not clear. So when you wake up in the morning, sit like this in Kagasana and drink 3 glasses of water sitting like this. Then after 15-20 minutes, you will go a clear stool. You will never have constipation in your life, which is, I mean, one of the reason that you have pimples on your face and other kind of problems with your face. And if you are happy, stress-free and laughing a lot, then your skin will always be fine. Thank you for watching my